Hey friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. I'm so glad you found my channel. I hope you enjoy your stay. Please feel free to look around. If you're a first-time visitor or a returning visitor who hasn't subscribed, that's why you're seeing this video. In order to subscribe to the channel, just hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell for notifications. That way when I post a new video, you'll be one of the first ones to know that it's uploaded and ready for viewing. I have various videos on quilting and cross-stitch and all the crazy things that I get myself into in the craft room. Beginning in 2025, I've broadened the topics covered on my channel to embrace all the various crafty things I do in my corner of the world. I hope to help you with all kinds of tips and tricks throughout the tutorial videos, and I hope to share the love of all the crafty things with you. Once a month during my Handmade Haven happenings, I update you with what I've accomplished this past month and what I'm going to be doing for the next month. So watch for those videos to post typically the first Tuesday of the month. As far as series, I have several quilt-alongs that I've put together for you. If you're a Lori Holt fan, I have got you covered. I've got several of her applique quilts that I have devoted playlists for, so you can just look through there and get all kinds of tips and tricks on organization, cutting, assembly, everything. I've also featured a vintage quilt upcycling playlist and have some very unique projects in that one. I also have a really cool projector quilt project that I did with a Christmas tree. So just know that I typically like to put my own twists on any pattern that's out there. You're never going to see me do a quilt exactly the way it's written. I always like to share tips and tricks and organization and all kinds of stuff like that in my videos. So look at the playlist tab because I do try to organize my videos into different categories. So if you're looking for something specific, that's probably a good place to start. I really hope you enjoy your stay. I hope you consider subscribing, and I can't wait to hear from you soon in the comments. Until next time, find joy in all you do, carve out some time for crafting and creating, and remember it's always better when you make stuff up.